In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a membership website using Wix 2026 full guide. Start by opening wix.com and signing into your account. From your dashboard, choose the website you want to add a members area to, then click Edit Site. This takes you into the Wix editor, where you'll do all your building and customization. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the left-hand panel. That's where you'll add apps and manage pages throughout this process. Next, add the Members Area app. In the editor, click Add Apps on the left, then type Members Area or Wix Members Area into the search bar. Select the official Wix Members Area app and click Add to Site. Wix will automatically create the core pieces you need: a members area section in your pages list, and a login bar so visitors can log in or sign up. You can reposition that login bar in your header if you want it more prominent. Now, review the built-in member pages. Click Pages and Menu on the left, then open Members Area. You'll see standard pages like My Programs, My Orders, My Account, and My Events, among others. These pages are already protected, which means only logged-in members can access them. Think of them as your members' personal dashboard, ready to connect with other Wix tools you use. Let's customize the members' navigation so it matches your site's structure. Open one of the member pages, like My Programs. In the horizontal menu for the members area, click Manage Menu to add or remove items, rename labels, and change the order. You can link menu items to private pages, member profiles, or modules such as bookings, stores, and events. Each section has its own settings and permissions, so choose exactly what members can see and edit. Keep the labels clear and logical to make navigation effortless. When you're ready, publish the site. Click Publish in the top right, then View Site to see it live. You should see a login or sign up button in your header. Visitors can sign up with email, Google, or Facebook, and once they do, they become members with access to the members area. To manage your community, head to your dashboard and go to Settings, then Site Members, where you can review and organize everyone who joins. As a bonus, you can add a loyalty or rewards program. Back in the editor, click Add Apps, search for Loyalty, select Wix Loyalty Program, and add it to your site. In its settings, name your program and points, set earning rules like signups, purchases, or event participation, and create rewards such as discounts, free shipping, or gifts. If it says not active, you may need a premium plan that supports payments and memberships. That's how you create a members area on Wix. By adding the Members Area app, customizing the menu and pages, and optionally connecting a loyalty